All right, guys, so the time is finally here. We finally got the Phone Rebel Gen 6 in. I've been waiting for this case since the day the iPhone 16 Pro Max came out. We've had the Flex, we've had the Frosted Flex, we've had the Frosted, but now we finally have the Rebel Gen 6 in-house, and I'm super excited to show it to you guys. Now, a huge shout out to Phone Rebel for sending this out to me to review for you guys. The price on this is $49.99, and links are down in the description below for you to check it out for yourself. So let's take a look at the packaging. Very classic Phone Rebel packaging here. You do get a picture of your case right there, and on the back you get all of that information. Let's look at it. Now, it does have the interchangeable magnetic components and camera ring, which we do have a couple of different camera rings here that I'll just show you guys real quick. Now, we also get the high tensile aramid fiber. You do get the full TPU body with added micro spikes for holding grip, TPE shock absorption, 360-degree comfort, modular design, anti-shock, easy swipe, super grip, strong magnets, aramid fiber, tactile buttons, and you do get a 2.5D screen protector included right in the packaging. So this is going to be a one-stop shop. You buy your case, you get your screen protector, and there you go, all for only $49.99. Now that is a little bit of a steep price. Of course, there are much more expensive cases, much cheaper cases, but for everything you get for the price of this case, it is absolutely worth it, which we will talk about, of course, shortly. Now, let's go ahead and take it out of the packaging. Very classic, like I said, Phone Rebel packaging here. We'll go ahead and get this out. And we are looking at the case here. Now, let's just set this off to the side for 1 second. In here, you do get your tempered glass screen protector, as well as an installation kit and all of that. So that's always nice to see. And that's pretty much it. So, taking a look at the case. Now, I did not wipe this down before the video, just so you guys can see what it looks like with the fingerprints. Now, this is going to be a little bit of a fingerprint magnet. If that bothers you, you may want to consider something else, like the Frosted case. However, I don't know if you want to consider something else. After using this case for the last few days, it's really, really, really good. On the back, you do get that aramid fiber material. Now, I do wish that it did have a little bit more texture, but this is that aramid fiber that you can kind of feel a little bit. If you run your finger back and forth slightly, you do feel the weave on that aramid fiber, but of course, I would like to see it a little bit more textured. You are going to get your metal camera ring here, and your Phone Rebel logo right there. It just says Rebel. Now, the camera ring, all of the buttons, and this logo are interchangeable, which is really nice. So you can really give this case a good amount of customization and make it look different than everybody else's, as well as look different from the stock one. Now, moving along to the inside, you are going to get this really nice microfiber material in all of these patterns that actually do help with some shock absorption, and you're getting your TPU material that goes all the way around the inside of the case, as well as your reinforced corners, first of all, for more drop protection, and the corners have that TPE material on all four corners here. That way, you get ultimate shock absorption. Now, like I said, that camera ring is interchangeable, so you do have 4 screws here. I have already unscrewed and re-screwed in those screws. They do not move out of place. Phone Rebel did fix that from last year, so that's always a very nice touch there. Now, let's go ahead and compare it real quick to the Phone Rebel Frosted. Now, this is the full Frosted. This is the Gen 6. Well, both of these are Gen 6, but this is the Gen 6 Frosted, and this is the Gen 6 Aramid. So, let's go ahead and bring over our scale and our caliper. We'll see the weight differences here real quick. And then I do want to talk about a little bit of the differences between this year's Phone Rebel Gen 6 and last year's. But looking at the weight, we're looking at 54 grams on the Gen 6, and then on the Gen 6 Frosted, we're looking at 53 grams. So they're almost the same exact weight. Either one you choose, you really won't have any issues. It does not feel heavy in the hands whatsoever, not the Frosted or the Gen 6. Both are very comfortable in the hands. And then taking a look at the thickness, we'll start off with our caliper here. Going from front to back, we're at 11.4 millimeters. And on this one, we are at also 11.4 millimeters. And then from front to back, we are looking at 3.3 millimeters. And then on the Aramid, we are looking at also 3.3 millimeters. So they're about the same thickness from front to back, as well as from inside to outside. You can kind of take a look at those for yourself right there. Everything is good to go. So before we put our phone in here, let's talk about a few of the key differences. Now, between the Gen 6 from this year and the Gen 5 from last year, One huge difference that I've noticed is that this is all seamlessly integrated here. Before, you would get a slight little lip right there, or like a little crack that you could kind of see where they fused the TPU material to the aramid. This time it is very nice and refined. It is all one seamless design, so that is always very nice to see there. And also this year they made it a little bit more curved, so it almost feels like the shape of the iPhone. So it is even more comfortable this year to hold than it was last year. So let's go ahead and bring our natural titanium 16 Pro Max, and let's listen out for that click real quick. Let me go ahead and put this in. Now this is a super tight fitting case. Very, very solid click on here. The fit on here is incredible. It is a very nice and stiff fit, which let's look at those corners real quick. 1, good. 2, very good. 3, and 4. Now, all 4 corners are going to fit so well on here. You really do have to give it a good bit of force in order to get one of those corners off, which I really like to see that. That means that if you throw this, you drop it, whatever the case may be, the case will not come off of your phone will not come out of the case. Now going along the sides, super tight fit. You got to really give it some force, even around the buttons. I mean, it's a little bit more loose around the buttons, of course, but all around a super tight fit. I love to see that. It fits extremely well on here. Going to the camera control button, let's see if you sit here and kind of pull it, it's not going to lose its shape at all. And then moving it up and down, everything is good to go on that end. Let's look at that camera and screen protection. Starting off with the screen, like I said, I do have that full coverage tempered glass screen protector, and you're going to get these 4 claws, as they call them, and they are going to protect your screen from pretty much any surface. They are nice and raised, so if you set this on any surface, you should be good to go for the most part. And then taking a look at that camera protection, you're getting a very nice proper camera ring right there. So of course you can set this down on any surface there, and you will be fine with that as well. Now, one thing that I love this year that they removed with the Gen 6 with all of them is those claws on the back. I was not a big fan of those because they would always dig into my palm. I wasn't really a huge fan. There's some people that like them, some people that don't, which let me know down in the comments below. Are you a fan of the previous designs with the claws, or do you prefer the new designs without the claws on the back? Now, how does it feel in the hand? And this thing is super comfortable to hold. The bottom is not a pinky destroyer at all. Very comfortable all the way around the sides. The grips are nice. The feeling of the aramid on the back of the case is nice. There's no seam right here, so you don't feel that. That's very good. The curvature of it, everything is A1 with this case. I really have no complaints. I guess like the only small complaint about the feel of it is that I do wish that the back was a little bit more textured. But again, it's not the biggest deal in the world because you have those really nice grips around the sides. Speaking of which, let's take a look around the sides. Now, on the top, you are completely closed in with that Rebel logo right there. On the left-hand side, you have that very nice grip going all the way up and down the phone, as well as your metal action button, volume up and down. Now, let's listen to how those buttons sound real quick. Super clicky buttons. They are phenomenal, just like every year with the Phone Rebel cases. They keep making those excellent buttons, and I'm all here for it. The only thing is that I do wish they were a little bit more raised up, but I feel like it's a little bit better on the Gen 6 Aramid as opposed to the Gen 6 Frosted. They do sit in there a little bit better when your phone is in the case, so I really do like that there. Now, moving along to the bottom, you do have your accurate microphone and speaker cutouts, as well as a nice wide open USB Type-C port, which I'm really happy that Phone Rebel fixed this year. In previous years, it was a little narrow, so your thicker head cables didn't fit. But this year, let's go ahead and take our pretty thick cable here, plug that in, we are charging, and look at that space. All of your thicker head cables will fit in here with really no issues at all. So I do love to see that. And then going along to the right-hand side, you do have your grip all the way up and down the phone, and you are completely closed in except for your camera control button. Now, let's look at that button actually. So one thing I really like is that is a very precise cutout right there. I hope you guys can get that made out on camera. It is very nice. It's a narrow cutout, but you can easily access it with a flat finger, so that's not a problem at all. Go ahead and zoom out, zoom in, do whatever it is that you want to do. Go ahead and take a picture of ourselves there. Boom. And yeah, you are good to go with this button. It feels really nice. There are no sharp edges whatsoever. Phone Rebel really did a great job with the camera control button. Now, of course, I know we would all like to see the full camera control button actually there, which I'm hoping Phone Rebel makes an updated version with the button. But if you're looking for a cutout, this is a really, really good cutout here, so I cannot fault them on that at all. Now, let's go ahead and take a look at that MagSafe. So we'll start off with our Apple MagSafe wallet. Put that on. There we go. Animation. And you can sit here, give it a little bit of force, give it a good bit of force, and this thing really only starts moving once you give it some weight and pull it off. So absolutely no worries with your leather or your fine woven wallets. Those will be good to go. Now moving along to the Apple MagSafe battery pack. Attach that. There's our animation. And yeah, we can sit here all day long and shake it as hard as you possibly can, and this thing is not coming off. It is on there super, super securely, so all of your MagSafe accessories will really have no problems whatsoever sticking to this case and staying on the case. Now, last but not least, let's bring over our Anker 623 here. We'll go ahead and set this on, and yeah, I mean, up and down, you have absolutely no issues with that. Super good MagSafe on this case. Like I said, I mean, you really cannot go wrong with a Phone Rebel case because they're just so good. I'm almost at a loss of words. The fit, I mean, every single year, Phone Rebel really listens to the reviews and to the audience, to their customers, and they improve that case notch by notch every year. So everything Apple Pro and the whole rest of the team at Phone Rebel, you guys really knocked it out of the park. This year especially, I've been loving this case. I haven't even wanted to take it off. I got all these other cases here that I have to review, but I've been so in love with this Phone Rebel Gen 6 that it has been really, really good. And you can absolutely expect the Phone Rebel Gen 6 Aramid at least on my top 10 case video coming up very, very soon. So anyways, let's take a look at some of that hardware. Now, Phone Rebel was kind enough to send me a few little pieces of hardware as well here. So let's see. This is going to be the Tough Ultra kit. So it's that ultra orange here. It does come with a little screwdriver, so you can take those screws off on the inside of the case. And it comes with 4 little extra screws here, which I'm not going to install it. I did install this on my phone before, but for me, I prefer the kind of slimmer camera ring here. This one was a little bit more thick, but this gives you even more lens protection here. Let's see, you can look at that right there. It gives you some excellent, excellent lens protection. It sticks out a little bit further than the Gen 6 Aramid, the stock one right here, the camera ring. So that is very nice. You just kind of take your little screws. Everything is right here, and you can use those in order to screw them in. Very simple, really doesn't take too much effort at all. Just be careful because the screws are very small, so make sure you don't lose them. Do it on top of like a paper towel or a desk mat, something like that, so they don't go flying. If you lose one screw, it'll be gone. But the good news is that the screws inside of the Gen 6 Aramid that hold the current camera ring work with this one and with the Ultra Orange Limited as well. So you basically get 4 extra screws just in case you need them. So let's actually go ahead and take a look also at what I know a lot of you guys have seen and really wanted is this Ultra Orange Limited camera ring. So this is going to offer you maximum protection for your camera ring here. This is going to look basically like this on your Phone Rebel Gen 6 Aramid. So it's a very nice look. This is just a little bit too rugged for my taste. I much prefer the all black clean look here. And then, of course, you get those ultra orange buttons, which look really good. So you're going to have your power button, volume up and down, your action button, and that Rebel logo right there, which I think are going to look really, really good on here. I personally really like the all black stealthy look, so I think I'm going to stick with it like this. But if I do anything, I would put these orange buttons and the Rebel logo here, leave the black camera ring, and I think that would be my favorite combination of them. Let's talk about the price on this stuff real quick. Now, the Tough Ultra kit is going to be $16.99. So that's going to be this as well as the screws and that little screwdriver. That's what you're getting here. And then the Tough Ultra Limited kit is going to be $19.99. So $3 difference. You get this camera ring and these buttons as well as your screwdriver. So all in all, really not a huge deal. 20 bucks if you want that maximum camera ring protection, you can definitely pick one of these up. Now let's talk about some of those other colors that they're going to come in. Now price on all of these is going to be $16.99. You're going to get blue, natural titanium, red, Egyptian gold, gunmetal, which is the original one, tough ultra, ultra orange, matte black, and matte silver. So you can really customize your Phone Rebel Gen 6. Now, you can also do it with the frosted. However, the logo at the bottom does not come out, but your buttons and your camera ring both do. So you can definitely get that. You just won't be able to change the logo here at the bottom. But all in all, guys, do I recommend the Phone Rebel Gen 6 Aramid for the iPhone 16 Pro Max? And if you've watched the video, I know you know that answer. Absolutely. Phone Rebel knocked it out of the park with this case. It's been an absolute pleasure to use. You get great swiping, which, by the way, we didn't really discuss that, but you get on all 4 areas of your screen, bottom, top, right, and left. The sides are narrowed down to the edge of the screen, so you can get ultimate swiping, but still get that really, really good protection with those claws on the front of the screen. So they really paid all of the attention to detail on this case. I recommend the Phone Rebel Gen 6 Aramid, the Frosted, and the Flex. They killed it this year with all their cases. Links are down in the description below for you guys to check out for yourselves. Make sure you guys like the video and subscribe to the channel. That goes a very long way and allows me to make these videos consistently for you guys. And if you want to see my full review of the Phone Rebel Gen 6 Frosted, which is really good, by the way, I'll leave that right there. And if you guys want to see me check out the Phone Rebel Gen 6 Flex, which is that minimal case, but still super protective, I'll leave that right there.